The Quick Notes add-in allows you to add and edit notes and email messages with one click. In the program options, you can show or hide the Quick Notes button on the Outlook main Windows ribbon, or on the ribbon of the new message window. Just select the message you want, press the button on ReliefJet ribbon, and make the required notes using a familiar Outlook tool. When closed, the note is automatically added to the message. To find messages containing your notes, use the built-in Outlook search. Please note that the location and size of your notes are saved automatically. Delete Quick Notes the same way you remove any other attachments. You can search for Quick Notes in webmail clients like Microsoft 365 Outlook on the web, Outlook web app, and mobile mail apps like Outlook Mobile. View them in the same way as regular attachments. You can use the Quick Notes button on the ReliefJet tab of the Outlook ribbon, or put the button on the Home tab to insert Quick Notes with a single click. To add the Quick Notes button where you want it, open the Outlook ribbon customization. Create a new group, naming it whatever you like. Select the All Commands to choose ribbon commands from, and add the Quick Notes button to the created group. Now you can insert Quick Notes even faster. ReliefJet Quick Notes is just one of the programs included in the ReliefJet Quicks bundle from Microsoft Outlook. This set of add-ins saves you valuable time every day by providing easy-to-use tools to improve your productivity.